Hello and Merry Christmas. This is just a Christmas message where Poopers and I wanted to share our favourite decorations this year that we did last weekend. Well, a couple of weekends ago actually, whenever we got the Christmas decorations down. I had a lot of fun doing the decorating. It didn't take me that long, but I did have to do it in stages, of course, due to my illness. I love my little putz houses and my little art therapy related Christmas ornaments. I think they're so cute. If you want to build your DreamBox or your sew station, please visit clarityb.com/CR and use coupons HHMUK100 or HHMUK to save $100 off your order. Again, we just wanted to say Merry Christmas and thank you so much for your support this year. I can't wait to get my art therapy license and just bring so many mental health resources next year. Have a Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays and Happy New Year.